Hello, Thomas Clark. You wanted us to do the Master Lock Challenge, and yes, we are. So, yeah. Alright, Caleb, Anthony. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to headlock until the other one taps out. But they can, like, reverse flip, but that's all we're going to do is headlock. No punches, anything like that, alright? So, if we're not doing it right, just please tell us in the comments. But thank you for making a suggestion for the video. If anyone else is watching this, if you would like us to make more fighting videos or an unboxing video or a gaming video, we'd be happy to do that. Yeah, so just comment if you guys want us to do any other video, because we're totally willing to. This is fun for us, alright? Alright, first we're going to get to the headlock. But if it's starting to hurt, because you get tighter and tighter until the other person, okay, that's how you tap out. No, it's like this. Okay, go over and do it. 1, 2, 3. Dude, come on, wipe off your fingers. Go wash your hands. Why? Dude, it's disgusting. It's not gonna hurt anyone. It's Cheetos. It's just a... No, tight. Too tight. Ow. Don't do it that tight. I'm gonna choke you out. Okay, I won the first one. Apparently I did it too tight, but... Okay, round 2. Okay. Not too tight, like this. But we have to go a little bit tighter. 1, 2, 3. First one to tap out. Give. Oh. Do you? Barely breathe. You give up. No way. Then tap out. No way. You can't breathe, then just tap out and it'll stop. The blood to my brain stopped. Are you thinking that? Your brain just stopped. I freaking really hurt me when I was working on it. My arm's actually getting tired. Tap. No way. Tap. 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 No, it's not gonna hurt you. Tap. It'll only hurt your career. Tap out, buddy. What's a good point? Better tap out. No. Anything? This part. No. Stinks. I still got you. No, buddy. Go to sleep. Let's go to sleep. What? It's more for the boy. You can't go boy people sleep. We got 2 choices here. It's a tap out or you go to bed. I've gotten you and I've never let you go. You've let me go 9 times. Still got him, guys. Give in. Give in. Give up. Nope. Put your feet down. thought we were going to fall off the bed. No, we're not. Oh. Next time I'm doing the hardest and tap out. Okay, let's put the username again. Thomas Clark 101. Thomas Clark 101. We cannot succeed the Master Luck Challenge. Sorry about that, but thank you. Please rate and subscribe, and ask us to do more videos. Just not that, because we don't understand it. We love to support you guys. And I won, so yeah, peace.